the grandstand's golden gray. We spend all week just planning for Saturday. Check the tires and the fuel line and the spark till the engines fire up after dark. The smell of methanol and dirt is what we know, waiting on the green flag to go, go, go. It's a dirt track symphony, a beautiful noise for the country girls and boys. Saloon slide sideways, number 4 PA, Dust Bowl night is a slice of heaven. Super stocks are rumbling, shaking up the ground. Best sound a good old boy has ever found. It's just speedway racing, dirt beneath the wheels. Ain't nothing else in life that feels this real. Heading down to turn 1, hard on the brakes, risking everything, whatever it takes. Rubbing is racing, that's what they always say. Just a little paint traded in the fray. Got the G-force holding on with all our might, chasing that checkered flag in the floodlight. Yeah, the crowd is yelling, the adrenaline is high, just a blur of color neath the dusty sky. It's a dirt track symphony, a beautiful noise for the country girls and boys. Saloon slide sideways, number 4 PA, Dust Bowl night is a slice of heaven. Super stocks are rumbling, shaking up the ground. Best sound a good old boy has ever found. It's just speedway racing, dirt beneath the wheels. Ain't nothing else in life that feels this real. Sometimes you win, sometimes you end up in a spin. Just dusting off the roll bar, ready to begin. It's in our blood, a passion you can't erase. Gotta get the car fixed and back in the race. No concrete jungle, no asphalt boulevard, just the purity of running free and hard. It's a dirt track symphony, a beautiful noise for the country girls and boys. Saloon slide sideways, number 4 PA, Dust Bowl night is a slice of heaven. Super stocks are rumbling, shaking up the ground. Best sound a good old boy has ever found. It's just speedway racing, dirt beneath the wheels. Ain't nothing else in life that feels this real. Yeah, dirt beneath the wheels, that's how it feels. Speedway racing is the real deal.